It will help you to good sleep and you will be more healthy and energetic for whole day. Mainly if you are reading the books or doing any other things, you are folding the clothes, you should not keep anything on the bed. It will disturb your digestion, metabolism, and not only that, it will also disturb your sleep. It will replace that energy. It will not let you tired for whole day. You will feel more energetic after doing this. You should not take more oily fried, deep fried and more spicy food. You should avoid these kind of things. You have to take only sattvic kind of food. Are you struggling with scrolling your mobiles, late night sleeps? Poor sleep will make you sick, tired and so unhealthy. Don't worry, in this video I am going to share some useful tips which gives you good sleep overnight. Before going to that, subscribe the channel for more videos. For good sleep, you have to maintain the consistent schedule timing, because if you are sleeping in different timings, it will not helpful for your good sleep. If you are suffering from insomnia problem, that means sleeplessness, you have to maintain timing every day while going to sleep and during wake up. If you are going to sleep for 9 p.m, every day you should go for 9 p.m. You should not exceed the time or you should not go before the time. Same thing, when you are wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, every day you have to follow the same timing. If you are consistent in your timing, means it will help you to good sleep and you will be more healthy and energetic for whole day. So every day follow this timing. Many people, if they don't get a good sleep, they will not wake up early in the morning, but it is not good. You should get up early in the morning. That is only helpful for you get the good sleep for the next day. So follow this consistent schedule. The most important thing is your environment. Your sleeping environment should be neat and clean. You should not eat any snacks or food in your bedroom. You should not use your bedroom for other activities. Only for sleeping purpose you have to use your bed. So that only you will get the good sleep, you will not get the disturbed sleep. The next thing, your bed should be cleaned every day and you should change the cover every day. Mainly if you are reading the books or doing any other things, you are folding the clothes, you should not keep anything on the bed while you are sleeping. You have to remove everything. Your bed should be empty while you are sleeping. Have to maintain this environment. The other most important thing is it should be clean and quiet. The next important thing is you have to sleep in the dark room. You should not use night lights during your sleep. Many people are using night light during their sleep, but if you are having insomnia problem, you have to sleep in the dark room. That will support you to get the good sleep. Next, the ventilation should be good in your bedroom, and this environment will help you to get good sleep over the night. The next important thing is relaxing your mind before going to the sleep, because every day if you are going to the sleep, your mind should be stress free and relaxed. If you are thinking about any stresses or if you are doing any stressful things, it will disturb your sleep. So before going to bed, you can do the activities like speaking or discussion with your family, like a happy discussion, or folding your clothes, or you can do any activities like reading the books, hearing some devotional songs or anything. Your mind should be always stress free and relaxed before going to the sleep. That is more important for the insomnia problem. So next thing you have to follow is your diet. So every day your dinner should be finished before 2 hours going to the sleep. If you are going to sleep immediately after your dinner, it will disturb your digestion, metabolism, and not only that, it will also disturb your sleep. Every day you have to maintain at least 2 hours gap between your dinner and your going to sleep. So the next thing, you should not take more oily food, junk food, more spicy food during night time. So it will also disturb your sleep. Have to take some light food so that your digestion also good and you will get the good sleep. So every day half an hour after your dinner, go for little slow walk. So slow walk for at least 15 minutes. It will help you to get the good sleep and also it will improve your digestion. So maintain all these things. And the next important thing is you have to take only hot water before your sleep. Because if you are taking hot water before going to your bed, it will induce the sleep, not only sleep, it will improve your digestion. The main thing is it is good for your heart health. So every day before going to sleep, you take hot water. You should not drink cold water before going to sleep. So maintain this every day if you are having insomnia problem. The next most important thing is physical activity. You should have consistent physical activity every day. While you wake up, you have to go for brisk walking for 20 minutes. If you are having sleepless nights, your body's energy level will be very low. So morning you have to go for brisk walk 20 minutes and evening you have to go for slow walk for 50 minutes. So that for whole day you can walk very energetically. Every day you maintain the schedule. The next thing, you have to practice yoga every day in the morning. So morning in empty stomach, if you are practicing yoga for 1 hour, If you are having any sleeplessness problem and disturbed sleep, or you are not getting any energy in sleep, means if you are doing yoga for 1 hour, it will replace that energy. It will not let you tired for whole day. You will feel more energetic after doing this yoga practices. So every day after your wake up, practice 1 hour of yoga. It should be consistent every day. The next thing is, many people, if they're not getting a good sleep at night, they will sleep at the daytime. So avoiding daytime sleeping is more important in this insomnia problem. If you are not getting sleep for the whole night, you should not sleep during daytime. If you are avoiding daytime sleeping regularly, the night time you will get the good sleep and you will come out of this sleeplessness problem. So avoid taking these more naps during the daytime. For the whole day, how to maintain your diet? You should not take more oily fried, deep fried and more spicy food. You should avoid these kind of things. You have to take only sattvic kind of food. Take more vegetables, more fruits, and take more water. That is more important. Your body should be always hydrated. Maintain all these things. You have to be stress free and should not be overthinking. Follow all these things. Have a good sleep and don't forget to subscribe our Neatly channel for more videos.